Hi everyone, having trouble with Xfinity, no internet, no Wi Fi, or slow speed? In this video, we will show you simple fixes to get your connection back up to speed. Let's dive in. Why Xfinity internet issue occurs. Network outages. Local outages can disrupt services often due to maintenance or damage. Modem or router problems. Faulty or outdated equipment can lead to connectivity issues. Network congestion. High user traffic can overload the network, causing slow speeds or disconnections. Interference. Physical obstructions or electronic devices can interfere with Wi Fi signals. Configuration errors. Incorrect settings or passwords can prevent devices from connecting properly. Cable issues. Damaged or improperly connected cables may disrupt the internet signals. Fix 1. Check for outages. Service outages can affect many users in your area, and knowing this can save you time troubleshooting. Visit Xfinity status page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Scroll down and click on check for outages. Enter your address to check the status. Fix 2. Check your payment. Ensure your account is up to date or payments and there is a no pending payments. Go to Xfinity web page and log in, go to billing tab and check for pending payments. If needed, follow prompts to recharge for interrupted services. Fix 3. Test multiple devices. There might be an performance issue with the device, hence the internet speed slow down. Check several internet capable devices, smartphone, tablet, laptops to see if the connectivity issue is isolated to one device or affects the entire network. If only one device has issue, try updating its network settings or restarting it. This often resolves single device connectivity problems. Fix 4. Check app and website functionality. Open multiple apps or a website to determine if the connection issue is specific to a single app or a website. If it is, the problem likely lies with that particular app or a website, not with your internet connection. You can check the server status or contact respective app or website support team to resolve the issue. Fix 5. Restart your device. Method 1. Modem or router restart. Unplug the power cord from your modem and router. Wait for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Wait for all lights to stabilize before testing your connection. Method 2. Via Xfinity app. Open the Xfinity app and sign in. Tap on the Wi Fi icon, go to troubleshoot, then restart your gateway. Method 3. Via website. Go to Xfinity and log in. Navigate to the devices page, then restart modem. Device restart. Restart your computer, smartphone, or a tablet to refresh the network connections. Windows. Open command prompt and type shutdown or R. On Android, press and hold the power button, then select restart or reboot. iOS, press and hold the side button and either volume button until the slider appears, then drag the slider to turn off and press the side button again to turn it back on. Fix 6. Remove and reconnect to the Wi Fi. There might be an issue with the device as it is unable to fetch the Wi Fi signal. This error usually occurs if a device has been connected to the Wi Fi network for more than 2 to 3 days. On iOS, go to Settings, then Wi Fi, tap the eye icon next to the network and select Forget this network. On Android, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then go to Wi Fi, long press the network name and choose Forget. For Windows, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Wi Fi, manage known networks. Select the network and click Forget. On Mac, go to System Preferences, then Network, then go to Wi Fi, click Advanced, select the network and click the button to remove it. After forgetting the network, reconnect by selecting it from the available network list and entering the password if prompted. Fix 7. Verify Wi Fi settings on the affected device. Check that Wi Fi is enabled and that you are connected to your home Wi Fi network instead of an Xfinity Wi Fi hotspot like Xfinity or Xfinity. If you suspect that your Wi Fi network name or a password has changed, update your device's settings accordingly to reconnect. Open the Xfinity app or a website and log in the app. Tap Network on the website, click Internet, and then Manage Wi Fi. Find your Wi Fi network name, SSID, tap or click on it and select Edit or Change Wi Fi password to enter a new password. Save the changes, then reconnect all devices using the new password and ensure they can connect properly. Fix 8. Disable 5 GHz band. Ensure that your devices are compatible with the band being used. Some older devices may only connect to the 2.4 GHz band, while newer devices can utilize 5 GHz or 6 GHz for faster speed. To separate the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz band on your Xfinity gateway, use admin tool since the option may not be visible in Xfinity app. Open a web browser and enter 10.0.0.1 to access the admin tool, then log in with your credentials. Navigate to the Wi-Fi settings by selecting gateway, then go to connection, then go to Wi-Fi. Enable the option to use different names for the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands and assign unique SSIDs to each band. Example, My Network 2.4G and My Network 5G. Save your changes and reconnect your devices to the desired network. Fix 10. Install a signal booster. If you are far from a cell tower or have many obstructions, consider installing a Xfinity Wi-Fi boost pods. These devices can amplify signals either through an external antenna or by connecting to your router. You can buy the Boost Pod by visiting Xfinity shop page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Fix 11. Contact Xfinity Support. To contact Xfinity Support for internet issues, you can visit their official website at Xfinity Customer Service for assistance. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Scroll down and click Chat with Xfinity Assistant. Link to connect with support. They provide help for various services, including internet connectivity problems. You can also reach out to them via the Xfinity app or by calling their customer service number at 800-934-6489 for direct support.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.